Yep. Good morning. Good morning. Yep. Hee. Okay. So I think we can start already. Yeah. Yep. So good morning. Good morning. Yes. Hopefully can tahan until 12. Hopefully. Hee. 2 hours. Okay. So yep. You can see that. Today the seminar. MS seminar here. Our class is 10 to 12. 2 hours. Okay. 10 to class. 10 to 12. Okay. So, as you received the notes, right? This seminar, I'm going to go through the Form 5, Chapter 1, Circular Measure. Okay, the circle chapter. Yes, today only go through one chapter. Only go through one chapter. So first of all, right, you can see your notes, the first page there, there's an empty space there, correct? The chapter notes here, you can see this part here. But I think you have no time to copy everything here because like so many things here, okay? So that's why for this part, right, later I give you time to screenshot, okay? You can copy back to your notes. It'll be easier for you. Okay, so let's go through the formula first. So for chapter one, right, circular measure, you have total about like three formulas around that, around three like that. Okay, first one, right, is convert. You have to convert the degree, radian, the angle format. Okay, the first part here. So you can see the formula here I written down here. Degree change to radian, you have to times pi over 180. Okay, this is the formula. And the radian back to degree, you have to times 180 over pi. So you can see the formula here just terbalik, up and down terbalik. And this formula exam not given to you. Okay, need to memorize. Okay, first formula. Second formula here is about the arc length. Okay, length of arc, which is this part here. You can see arc length, right? This letter S here, or in picture here, this length. Okay, length of arc. Okay, this part. So for the formula here is S equals to R theta, radius, the R, theta is angle in radian. Okay, be careful for the angle. Okay, so now, before I go through the next one, right, the arc length formula here, I'm not sure about this coming exam, okay? Your coming exam, right, confirm you have this chapter, confirm, but it's just that whether they ask you prove the formula. Maybe lah. Maybe they're asking you to prove the formula. Maybe. That's why for the formula here, I will show how to prove, okay? I'll show how to prove. So you should remember that your Form 3 formula, Form 2 or Form 3, I'm not sure. Form 2 or Form 3 lah. There is a formula finding the arc length also, which is 2 pi r, which is the whole circle circumference, times it with angle over 360. There's a formula you learn in Form 2 or 3, okay, to find the circumference, the circle. So actually, this formula is come from here. How, right? Very simple also. The 360 is actually equals to 2 pi radian. Okay, 360 is actually 2 pi radian. That's why just convert to 2 pi from the 360 here and then simplify. These two you can cut. 2 pi can cut. So you get the formula here. R theta. That's the way to prove a formula. Okay, of course, if you follow the textbook, right, the textbook, before this step, actually got one more step before. That is the arc length divided by the angle theta equals to circumference divided by 360. This is actually the first step showing you in the textbook. But you can see the same thing, okay? They just bring all the theta over here only. Divide theta, bring over here, become times. So actually they're working all same, okay? I just show you how to prove the formula first. Okay. So this part, you have to take a note. Maybe this coming exam, this chapter, they'll ask you to prove the formula for the arc length. Maybe, okay? So, tadan, okay, this part, siap. Next part is about area of sector. Okay, so sector here, this is the formula. 1 over 2 r squared theta. Okay, this is the formula. So for the sector here, It's referring to this whole thing. Sector. Sector, right, is the whole thing here. Like one piece of pizza like this. When you eat the pizza, right? One piece of it. Okay, sector. So the formula is 1 over 2 times r radius square and times it with theta, also angle in radian. Okay. And then this formula here also, they might ask you to prove a formula. Yeah. So actually the formula for area, how to prove, right? Similar to just now the arc length, similar. In form 2 and 3, you learn the circle is pi r square. Area of a circle, pi r square. If you're finding only sector, you have to times it with angle over 360. Okay, this is the one you learn in form 2 or 3. Okay, and now to prove a formula, same. The 360 change to radian, which is 2 pi again. Okay, and then everything just cut off. Pi and pi can cut. So therefore, there's one on top, right, beside theta. So that's why you get the formula already. 1 over 2, write it out there with r square theta like this. Done. Yep, this is how you prove the formula. Yes. And then the first step, right, is actually, if you follow the textbook, right, is actually similar also. The first step, if you follow the textbook, area over angle theta equals to pi r squared divided by 360. Okay, so this part, so far so good about how to prove a formula. So far so good. You have to take a note here for the proving formula. Hmm, still okay, still okay. No need to copy, I think, because no time for you to copy. Maybe you can just screenshot. Yes, you can just screenshot. Later, I'll give you time to screenshot later. Be faster for you. Acha. Next part, segment formula. Okay, segment, right? Can see the picture here. Segment is this part. You can say like the pizza, right? The bread, the roti, the bread of the pizza. The one that not nice one. So the formula here is you're using the sector area again, sector area minus of the triangle. Okay, this part, this part, right, is actually the triangle only. Why the formula like this, right? Because of your last year chapter 9, the solution of triangle. Actually, this formula is come from your chapter 9 last year, which is 1 over 2 AB sine C. Yes, can actually come from there. So for the A and B itself, right, is actually represent the radius of the circle, A and B, and the angle C is actually the theta, the angle. Yeah, that's why the formula looks like this. So this formula, I think the textbook don't have it. I think so. And this formula exam not given to you, not given to you. So 1 over 2 r square bracket theta in degree. Wait, I think I write wrongly. Sorry. I write terbalik already. This is the angle in rad. This is the angle in degree. Yeah. Because the theta here beside is a sine. Sine cos tan. Yeah, beside must be degree. Okay, so this is a segment formula. But be careful for segment. Don't see wrongly. If I have the picture like this, if I have the picture something like this, this is not a segment. Yes, segment, right, is from a circle. One end of the circle join to the other end of the circle. Can see, so it's not radius joined to radius. It's the circle joined to circle. So don't see the wrong segment, okay? Because I think sometimes, you know lah. Some of you, you get confused on which one is segment. Okay, segment area, siap. Last, the last part here, right, is about the other shape that's given in the question. because this whole chapter is about circle, right? Yes. But sometimes you will have other shape like you see I draw here, triangle, or maybe trapezium like this. Or even though maybe you will come out rectangle also. Rectangle, square, what else? I mean those are 2D shape. Those are 2D shape there. For this chapter. So if you have this kind of the shape, right, in the question there, so I just recall back the formula for you. For triangle, if right angle triangle, you can go for the form 3 formula. I mean those that like example area 1/2 base times height. Or maybe what it is Pythagoras theorem. Remember what else? Oh yeah, one more. I don't think this one I like it. So katwa. Your sin cos tan. Yes, 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 yes. This one. And then if you have a triangle that is not right angle, okay, you can go for the chapter 9 formula, okay, which is the three formulas: sine rule, cosine rule, and also area of it. Okay, depends we have the triangle here. It's either right angle triangle or not right angle triangle. Ta-da. Okay, and the last one will be this part, trapezium. Yeah, sometimes you have trapezium also. Trapezium, like I think nothing special trapezium. Trapezium normally you just need to go through the area only, the area of the trapezium. But I think the formula here, yours should be maybe lah, some of you lah, different letter. Maybe I put A, B, and H. Maybe some of you is using A, B, and C. Maybe lah, okay. So for the area here, A and B represent the two length that are parallel, and the H here will be this part. Yeah, yeah. So we see how long, okay? If later we see trapezium, then the only thing we have to recall back is the area only. Okay, siap. This is a part. Then so chapter 1, just something like this. The things you have to know. Okay, so yeah, I give you about a few seconds. You can take a screenshot if you want. Should be okay, should be okay. Okay, so then we can start already. Yeah, let's go to the next page. Wait, I put the formula first. Ding 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 ding. E okay. Okay. Okay, you can see beside here. You can refer the formula and see. Good talk. But not sure is it big enough or not. Okay, at least you can see that. Okay, nice. Okay. So for today, we are going for around 6 questions, if possible. Yeah, we finish everything. 6 here. 3, 7, 14, 15, 17, 20. Let's go, let's go. Number 3 first. Okay, if you're not sure anything, let me know. Sorry. I did the question here. Okay, number 3. 2 marks, 4 marks, 4 marks, around 10 of this. So for the chapter one here, the circle, right? Sometimes you'll see this chapter in paper one or in paper two. Okay, both papers are possible to have this chapter. Both papers, okay. So maximum around 10 marks. Maximum. Yes, maximum. This chapter can up to 10 marks for one question. Okay, number three. Diagram shows a circle with radius 4 cm and a sector OBC with center O. So you can see there's a circle here and there's a sector here. Okay. And bottom here, question give you, given the length of arc BC is 12, OA AB is the ratio 2:3 using pi 3.142. Okay, so first one, length of arc BC is 12. BC, where is it? Okay, here. It already labeled for you, 12. Next, OAAB is ratio 2:3. Where's OAAB? Okay, these two. OAAB is 2:3. Here 2, here 3. Okay, nice. Okay, and then of course from here, we should able to calculate the length of AB by follow the ratio. So this part here, A to B, right? Using 4 cm, ratio 2, correct? We divide by 2 to get the length for ratio 1, and then we times 3. 4 divided 2 times 3 will be 6. Okay, the length of AB is 6. Okay, what else? The BC is 12. AB, we got the length is 6. And the pi later, please, you have to sub 3.142 at the pi. This one. Okay, this is all the info. Don't worry. Okay, start A. 2 marks for this. Find the value of theta in radian. You are finding theta in rad. Okay, where's theta? Okay, theta here. Theta over here. So there is two circles here, right? Correct. One is center O, one is the sector BOC. So now you have to choose because the theta is within these two, right? You have to choose the correct circle to start your question. So you can see that for theta here, if you go for this circle, there's only one number, 4 cm. Not enough info. But the next one, right? BOC, you got a lot of numbers. You got 4, you got 6, you got 12. Okay. So we go for the one with more info, the BOC, okay? BOC. So from a BOC here, you have the radius, 4 plus 6, right? Correct? 10. And you have the length of arc. I mean the arc length, sorry. 12. So you have S, you have R. You're finding theta, right? Yay. Then follow the arc length. You have S, you have R, you have S, you have R. You can find theta. Let's go. Sub. 12 is S. Radius is 4 plus 6. You can write 10, of course, straight away. And times it with theta. And this theta already in radian. I mean, follow the formula. So after you find theta for this answer, no need to convert. It's already in radian. Easy. So bring over, divide. Dun, 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 dun. 1.2 rad. Siap. 1.2. Okay. Next one, easy 2 marks. The parameter. Find the parameter of the whole diagram. Yes. Careful a bit. Whole diagram. There's certain part no need to calculate. There's certain part no need to calculate. Whole diagram parameter. Only the outer layer. Only the outer layer here. Only the outside of the whole diagram. Only the outside. So for this whole diagram is only A to donkey. You see where I draw? This part, not the outer layer. This is inside. No need to calculate. Next, this length, this length, and this length. Yes. So you have total satu, dua, tiga, empat. Four lengths here, plus together. For the parameter. Okay, only four lengths. Okay, I think some of you have already. For AB we have six already. The length. And the DC also same. Six. And BC is 12. Okay. BC is 12. 8. All right, 4. 12. Okay, boleh. So 6, 6, 12. Okay, got it. Yeah. Last over here. The yeah. This is also the arc length. S, but the bigger side, okay? The arc length. So arc length, radius for theta 1.2, right? Sorry, theta not 1.2. So sorry. Here, theta is the other side. The S and theta must be the same side. So that's why the 1.2 is the right side. We need the left side, okay? So for the theta for the left, easy, easy. This theta, you are using the total radian, 2 pi. Okay, total radian for a one whole circle, 2 pi, minus 1.2 radian. And be careful, when you press the calculator, right, you have to press the pi 3.142. So 2 times 3.142 minus 1.2. Dun, 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 dun. So this is a radian on the left. 5.084. So there you go. Yes, same formula. Dun, dun. You have R, you have theta. So, so this is the arc AD. Radius theta 0.84. Okay, so times together and later I plus all these four lengths. 4 times 5.084. Okay, yep. So your parameter is 6, 6, 12. Yeah. Done and done. 44.336 apa itu cm for this. Okay, this is the parameter of the whole diagram. Should be okay. Not too hard for you, not too hard for you. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Last. Okay, last part, area. Find the area of the whole diagram. Area of the whole diagram. The whole picture there. The whole picture here. Yeah, you know lah. This picture, I don't know how to call this picture, right? What shape is this? Okay, never mind. So for the area here, you can see the formula that I put beside here. There's only like few different shape that you're able to use. Let's say sector, segment, or even just triangle or trapezoid only. There's only few shape that you can use here. Okay, that's why for this picture, right? Yes, this whole thing you have to split into few parts to plus. Guess you have to split that. Depends on how you split. If anyone you going for the circle, the whole thing here, plus with this part, I don't recommend. Because this part here, you don't have any formula to get this answer straight away, right? Yeah, it's a weird shape here. That's why I'm not going for the whole circle here to plus. I'm going to split like this. I go for this sector. Looks like the Pac-Man, right? Okay. This Pac-Man, Pac-Man. Plus it with the sector. Is it easier? So I go for the Pac-Man, also called as a sector. So this sector plus with another sector BOC. Will be easier for you. Easier for you. Apa itu? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I want to screenshot this one. Oh, okay. Maybe just I'm late for the class. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, make it fast. Go, go, go. Okay, sector. Okay, let's continue. So for C again, I draw it here. We go for the Pac-Man. So ugly. Plus it with the sector BOC. Yeah, no space. Okay, macam ini. So this is the O, A, D. This is the O, B, C. So these two is also sector, okay? So only go for one formula. Sector only. Okay, these two using the same formula. Okay, so for your sector here, theta for this part is over here, radius. And for BOC, radius, and this is a theta. We have everything now. So we can start video. The theta for this is 5.084 rad, radius 4 cm. The other side, BOC radius is 4 plus 6, which is 10 cm. The theta is 1.2 rad. Okay, so let's hop into the formula. 1 over 2 r square theta. 1 over 2 r square theta. Okay lah? So yeah, plus together. Easy. How many marks here? 4 marks. Yay. 1 over 2 times 4 squared times 5.084. Wow. Okay. 6, 2. Okay. The other one is 10 square 1.2. Okay. Oh, nice number. 60. So plus together. 2. This one is what? Cm square area. Dun, siap. So this is number 3. First one, 10 marks easy. Sure for okay, not too hard for you, not too hard. Eh. Maybe two circle lah. Maybe because of two circle, you have to see carefully for the angle and also the radius both. Okay, number 3, siap. Next one, go for number 7. Okay, if it doesn't you can screenshot the working. Now we upgrade. We go a little bit harder, okay? 7. Let's go. 7 here. Okay, wait. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Step run. Only 6 marks here. 6 only. Or just A and B, okay. Okay, 7. Diagram shows a trapezium. FECA, okay. FECA trapezium. You can see the picture here. Sector ABHG is a quadrant of the circle with center A. ABHG, okay. ABHG over here. A, B. So ugly, okay. So this is a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means 90 degree. Quadrant means 90 degree. So center A, right? So center A here, this is 90 degree. Okay, you can aga draw inside. So this is the quadrant. So this is part of the circle, okay? It's supposed to be like this. But the question here only show you one part of it. Next, AHD is an arc of a circle with center B. AH donkey, AH donkey over here. Another one. AH donkey. Wait, draw so ugly one. Is there any difference? No. Okay, this is better. AH donkey, center B. So this is another circle, another center. Okay, over here. Okay, so yeah, macam ini it's actually also a circle, but they'll show you only part of it. Woohoo! Okay, so this is the info given on top there. Trapezium, dun 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 dun. Quadrant, and another circle. Yes. Next, bottom here. It's given that G is the midpoint of AF. G is a midpoint AF. These two are same length. These two, same. AG and GF, same. Because of G is a midpoint. Last two, BCCE equals to 8. Where's BC? Oh, BC here. BC and this CE. 8. And C donkey equals to 3DE. C donkey equals to 3DE. So from this part here, the last info, this one you can get the what do you call this? Ratio. Can get the ratio. Can bring the donkey E over to divide. So CD over donkey E equals to 3. 3 bottom is 1. That's why C donkey the ratio with donkey E is 3, 1. 3, 1. Yes. Yeah, this is all the info here. And by the way, later the pi. Ta-da. Woohoo. Okay, can take a note for the info here. So many things. Oh, actually got one more. Because of the CE, we have the length 8 already. The CE. So you're able to find the C donkey and donkey E. Okay, right here first. C donkey. If you need this length, total 8, right? Divide by 4 times 3. So you get the length here, 6. This one same. Total 8 divide 4 times 1, which is 2 cm. Okay, so see later we need the length or not. Okay, no more already. The pi later 3.142. We can start the part A. Find CBD here. CBD in radian, correct to 4 decimal places. CBD. Okay, CBD here. CBD. So CBD, this is not inside the circle. You can see the circle I draw here. Green color, nah. This one, yeah, even worse. So for this angle, right, we're not using the circle. We're using this shape. The angle inside this shape, right? This is a right angle triangle. Lucky. A right angle triangle. This is a formula that you have to recall back. So there is the area formula, there is the Pythagoras theorem formula, and there's SOHCAHTOA. So I think among these three, right, the one that can use it to find the angle is a SOHCAHTOA. Yeah, SOHCAHTOA. Is it Oh, you mean the ratio part? The ratio part. The ratio is over here. This one. I mean, do you understand how do I get the 3, 1 here first? C, C donkey equals to 3DE. Oh, I think you forgot about the ratio. You learned the ratio before. Ratio is actually a fraction. I mean, to get the ratio, right, you have to bring the donkey E over there to divide. That's why you get this working here. And the right side left with 3. So 3, is over 1 for the 3. That's why for the ratio, if you write it out, is C donkey to DE equals to 3 to 1. Yes, which means that, you can understand from the sentence here, 1 CD equals to 3 DE, which means CD is like 3 times of donkey E. CD is 3 times of donkey E. That's why the length of donkey E times 3 is equals to CD. Something like this. Yes. GG ratio. Okay, good about the ratio here. Just bring over the letter here to divide. So this fraction here shows that you are finding the ratio for C donkey to donkey E. So what's the ratio? Look at the right side. Right side, whatever number, that is the ratio. Ta-da! E, E, E. Okay, where did I stop here? Oh, okay, just now I see that we say that for part A, right, we're finding angle, correct? So for the right angle triangle, we're using SOHCAHTOA to find the angle. I think I write here first. So for the right angle triangle there, BC donkey, right? BC donkey. We did have the length for BC 8, and we have the length for the C donkey 6. We can go for the SOHCAHTOA, right? Should be toa, right? This is the angle we are finding. I put the theta here first. So this is the opposite. And 8 here will be the adjacent. So SOHCAHTOA, T, 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 T. Toa, toa, toa. Achoo. Yes. Long time no see, long time no see. So tangent theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Can bring the tangent over. Tangent -1, 6 over 8. Now you can press it with the calculator. So lah, later after you get the angle, this angle with the sin cos tan, right, is in degree. We want the answer in radian. So later you have to convert. Later. After you find this theta. A sif tan 6 over 8. Yeah, okay. 36.87 degree. And then later we convert this to the radian. But be careful the pi. Yes, the pi. I repeat the pi. This question requests for 3.142. You have to follow 3.142 over 180. 36.87, 3.142 divided by 180. Okay. 4 decimal place, 0.6436. Rep. Siap. Only 2 marks. Okay lah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, cool. Let's go for B. B is 4 marks. Okay. The next one B is calculate the perimeter in cm of the shaded region. Perimeter, just the outer layer, the outer part of the shaded region. Outer part of the shaded region. So we have this length. Okay, we have this length and GH, H donkey. Wow, so many things here to find. And one more is donkey E. Yeah, the small little part there, donkey E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5, Got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this part is 5. Got 5 parts here. You have to find all these five parts plus together. Yes. Um, we have donkey E, of course. Yes, the just now the ratio, right? Okay, right here first. We have donkey E already. 2 cm. The rest tak ada. GG. The rest tak ada. Okay, tak apa. Let's find out one by one. I start from I start on 3 and 4 first. I go for 3 and 4 first, these two. G, H, and H donkey first. These two. Okay. 3 and 4, right? These two here is actually the arc length of the circle. The blue color and the green color, okay? Arc length. Okay. But you're not finding the whole arc length, You're only finding part of it. Which means you can see the blue color one. Blue color only until like G to H only. Only G to H. Okay, only G to H. That's why center here, this is the radius. The angle here is over here. Not the whole thing, So not the 90 degree, only this part, Ding ding. Same thing for number 4. Number 4 pun sama-sama. H, donkey. Not the whole green color. So it's only finding until here. Yeah. Until here. Yes. H, B, D. This part only. Nice. Okay, so let me show you. Very simple one. E, E. Okay, first thing I can see that to find these two arc, right, the number 3, number 4, you need a lot of things. Follow the formula. Arc length is radius times theta, right? You need both radius and angle, these two. And 3 and 4 here, both radius and angle not given to you. Yes, so need to find both. And very simple, okay? Very simple, We start from the radius first. Radius, okay? Radius. Green color first, Green color. Green color, you know that B donkey is a radius. Sorry. B donkey is a radius. Same thing for this line, right? Also radius. Same thing for AB. I mean HB, sorry. So now, not sure you can see or not. We can find the length already. These three are the same. Satu, dua, tiga. Same. This one here, do you see that this one stick with the right angle triangle? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Remember, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. 8 cm. This one just now, we already found this one is 6, right? 8, 6, we can find B donkey. This is the radius of the green color. We need the number. Yeah. Okay, so let's write the working first of the radius. B donkey, right? Radius, which is B donkey. Pythagoras theorem, 8, 6. 8 square, 6 square. So 10 cm. 10 cm here. Okay, not too hard. Okay, continue. So after you find the radius here for these three, okay, satu lagi last. Satu lagi. You have to find this angle. We need the angle, right? The theta to find the arc length. Okay, so to find this one, not sure you can see actually. Not sure you can see or not. This angle, it's not given to you, yes. No need to use any formula. No need. Just need to do some mathematic the angle way. Do you see, after I draw the line, these two. Not sure you can see or not. Actually, they are same length. This one, This one from green color, same, right? No issue, huh? Okay. Do you see that the blue color circle AB is also the radius? Which means green color and blue color both, they are sharing the same radius. Ah, blue color circle and the green color circle sharing the same radius. That's why ini pun sama. Mm. So here 10, here 10, here 10, here 10, here 10, here 10 also. They're all 10 cm. Yes. Okay, ta-da. So that's why here, after you get all these 10 cm, you should be able to tell me that you can see there is an equilateral triangle. Segitiga sama sisi. Correct, correct, correct. All these three angles same. 180 divided by 3. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, lor. So I think based on the angle here, we should get everything now. Everything. This is 60, right? So remaining here will be 30, oh. Total 90 ma. And this one 60 also. And what else? Okay, we need here, right? 60. This one just now is 36.87. Are you? Yoo-hoo! We can find this angle here. Straight line, 180. 180 minus 60, 36.87. Easy. We get everything now. Radius and theta, everything. Let's get the angle 60 and 36.87. 83.13 if I didn't press wrong. Oh, yes. Is it okay until here? Any question for this angle? Uh, uh, uh. Crack. Yeah, this one a bit harder, I can say. Because the info here, you have to see carefully. The picture is so weird, right? I know. Okay, you're okay. Then we can start here to find the number 3, number 4. So number 3 here, radius as we said is 10 cm already. Radius 10 cm. The angle here is 30 degree, but we need the formula in radian. We need the angle in radian. So 30 degree, you have to change. Okay. And later number 4 here, same. Radius 10 cm, and the angle here is 83.13 degree also. You have to change to radian as well. So let's go. Number 3 first. We're working for number 3 first. We go 2 more later, right? Yeah, we 2 more later. Okay. So I go for number 3 first. GH. Follow the formula. Radius times theta. Theta 30 degree. So times pi over 180. Yep, the pi, please. 3.142 for this question. People, 10 times 30 times 3.142 over 180. Okay. 5.237. I write in 4 significant figures. 5.237. Okay. Next one, number 4. H donkey. Radius 10 again. Angle is 83.13 degree. You have to convert to radian. Pi over 180. Okay. 83.13 times 3.142 over 180. Yeah. Sorry. Need times 10. 14.51. 14.51. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, siap. So this is a length that represent number 3, number 4, number 5. This 3 here. 2 cm, 5.237, 14.51. The length for number 3, number 4, number 5. Yes. Tahan a bit, oh. We got two more to find. Tahan, got two more to find. Last two, last two. Number one, number two only. Number one, okay lah. Number one, same as AG. So this how we know it's 10 already. So GF is also 10. Okay, last one, the number two. Ta-da! This one. Okay, this part, right? This part here is the length that referring to the trapezium. Okay, but not using the area, of course. We are finding length, not finding area. So this trapezium, I'm not sure I learned this part or not actually. I think you should see this question before, but not like this, okay? Not like this. You know the trapezium is actually can split into two different shape, right? For trapezium, you can split into a triangle, I mean a right angle triangle, and also a rectangle. You split here. Control. Cannot see. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, can see. On top is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Bottom is a rectangle. Can split into two. So and some more. You know these two are same length. This this length and bottom here will be same. Rectangle rectangle That's why 10 here for the radius. So 10 plus 8, 18. On top here also 18. 18. Okay. Last. Okay, one more part here. And from here to here, you should know it should be 6 plus 2 cm, 8. Because it's a rectangle. So this length same as CE, 8 cm. Okay. And in total, for the radius, A to G is 10 cm. So remaining this small little part here is 2 cm. Okay. And also plus with, just now, GF is 10 cm, right? So from here to here, F all the way until the yellow line. F all the way to the yellow line, is 10 plus 2, which is 12. So far, so good. So for the triangle here, right angle triangle, this length is 12, yellow color line is 18, and it's a right angle triangle. We can go for the Pythagoras theorem to find the FE. Yeah. Crack. How many marks? It's already written here at the side here. 6 only. 6 only. Yay, yay. The part A, I think okay lah. Part A, 2 marks, okay lah. Not really a lot the working. But the part B, right? 4 marks. Maybe I write too long for the step here. Actually, you know that this step here can skip. The donkey E can skip actually. Donkey E and the 10 can skip. You have to write the GH, HD, Pythagoras theorem, and just now the last one here. Yeah, so I think for 4 marks, okay, right? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 working only. Should be lah. Don't know. 6 marks better than nothing. So can plus already. Can. Yeah, yeah. Now you can find the FE first, Pythagoras theorem, and then we can plus all the length. Who? FE. Pythagoras theorem. Well, 18. Yoo-hoo! 12, 18. 8, 12, 18. Oh, really decimal. Okay. 21.63. Yay. So yeah, plus everything. Donkey E, GF, GH, HD, and FE. Yeah, these five numbers plus together, you should get your parameter. Ding 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 ding. 53.377. Ini apa? Ini parameter cm. Yes. Okay, 7 siap. Hmm. The working not too long. Working not too long. Just have to understand how to find the length and angle ni. Okay, nice. Is it okay? Number 7. Any question? We have done 2 already. After 7 is 14. 4 more, 4 more. Do 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 do. Okay can no issue Yes, good, good, good. Okay, okay. Tahan a bit, tahan a bit 1 more hour, okay? Tahan a bit Let's go to next one. 14. 4 more to go. Apa itu? Bukan ini. 14, 14. Here. Ta-doo. 14. 224. 8 marks. 224. Looks like a parachute there. Is it? The shaded part there looks like parachute. Okay, 14, 14. The game shows a sector MJKL. Center at MJKL. Oh, here. MJKL. This is a sector. Yeah. E, E, okay, MJKL and two sector PJM, QLM, center at PQ. Another two more. PJM here. This one looks like ice cream. PJM. One more is QLM. QLM. Nice. Three circle, okay? Three circle. So you can see the blue color one is actually part of the circle lah. Okay, this is the whole circle. They only show you part of it. And for the two ice cream, same lah. Two ice cream, also part of the circle. They show you only part of it. Ding. Okay, continue. Given the major angle JLM is 3.6. Major is a big one, major. Major is a big one. JLM. So the angle JLM, you have two here. One on top, one at the bottom. Yes, so it says that it's major, big one. So the angle that's bigger is the one on top. You can see on top is already more than 180, right? Bottom one is less than 180 actually. Yeah, that's why the bigger one, the major, is 3.6 on top. 3.6 is here. Okay. So yes, this is the info given, nothing else. Can start A already. Yay. 2 marks. Radius of MJKL circle sector. Radius of MJKL circle. MJKL, the blue color one. Radius. You're finding this length? These two, same. So MJKL, to find the radius, there's only one numbers here. Not enough info. Hey. But at the same time, this radius, right, is also in these two ice cream. I think these two ice cream more info, right, than the MJKL. At least got two numbers, ma. So we go for the ice cream here to find the radius, okay? 5 and 1 red. Okay, we can choose either one. They are same answer. I choose the left side one, green color one. So this length is a straight line, not the arc length. So obviously it's not using this formula. Not finding area of sector, not finding segment. It's only a line there, okay? So that's why this line, right, we're going to use the triangle. This line, we go for the triangle to find. Okay, here's a triangle to find. So you go for the triangle here to find JPM. How to find it? E. This is not a right angle triangle. It's actually this one. But I'm not saying that exactly. I mean, you still can make it to right angle triangle if you want it. JPM, right? Because of these two lengths are same, 5 cm, 5 cm. You can cut into half, like cut in the middle here. You cut in the middle, you get right angle triangle. But of course, of course, if you don't want to get right angle triangle, maybe you're not familiar with the SOHCAHTOA, those things, okay? You can stick to the chapter 9 formula. Yes. It's the same answer. It's just the working short or long only. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, so since we haven't tried the chapter 9 formula yet, okay, we have to try the SOHCAHTOA, right? So let's try the chapter 9 formula. Don't worry, it's the same answer, E, E. Okay, if we try the chapter 9 formula, which means no need to cut into half. Okay, this is 5 and 5. We are finding this length. Okay, and the angle here given to you is 1 rad. Okay, 1 rad. So 1 rad, as you know, no matter you're using SOHCAHTOA or the chapter 9 formula, you need in degree. You need in degree for the angle. So you have to change first. So 1 rad change back to degree. 1 times E 180 over pi. The pi never give you, right? Okay, pi never give you. So this pi, you can press the pi in your calculator. 1 times 180 divided by pi. Okay. 57. Uh, 2955. You can round also become 3. 57.3 degree. Okay, for 1 rad. And now, yeah, we can go for the chapter 9 formula. So if you still remember how to use the formula, right? You're finding this one, correct? The opposite here, this angle will be the same letter, A. The other two lengths will be the small b and small c. So actually, we're using the cosine rule. The second one, yes, if you're familiar with it, easy. Yeah, just yeah, can also revise for you. Let's go. Small a, jm, small b, small c, minus 2bc cos big A is 57.3. Okay. So press the whole thing, blah, 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 and later bring a square over, square root. You should get a jm, which is the radius of the circle. Yeah. People. Uh, people. 4 point something. 795. Up by to a cm, right? Yoo-hoo! Yep. 4.795 cm. Radius of the circle MJKL. Then 2 marks. Tuk, 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 tuk. Okay, I can go for B already. B is 2 marks. Yama. So next one, B. Perimeter of the shaded region. Also, the outer layer only, perimeter, outer layer only, outer part only of the shaded part. So only three, JKL, satu, JM, ML, three. Plus together, okay? Later, plus together. All these three, we don't have the number yet. So I have to find 1, 2, 3, and then plus. Let's go. So you can see 1, 2, 3. They're all using the same formula. The one here, follow blue color. This is the arc length of the blue color. Second, number two, this is also arc length for green color. Number three, this is also the arc length for the purple color. Yeah, three, yeah. So all these three, right? Same formula. Arc length. Okay. So then yes, we can use the formula D. But be careful because of different center. Radius and theta don't have wrong number. Okay, let's start from the blue color one first. Blue color one. JKL first. Radius is just now the 4.795. Theta is the 3.6 red. Okay, press the answer. Later you go for number 2 and number 3. People. 17. Okay, 17.262. 17.262. Okay. Number 2 now. Number 2 is the JM, green color one. Green color. Radius is 5. Theta is 1. What? 1 red, right? Yeah. Oh, so just 5. Lush. The purple color one, I will do a ML. Radius 5 again. And the theta also 1 red. Okay lah, plus. These three answer plus together. This one, okay, good. 17.262 plus 5 plus 5. Easy. 27.262. Are you? This is what a perimeter, right? So just cm. Easy. This one, this one okay. This one the marks okay. A done, B done, C. I think C I write on top first. Okay, last one C, 4 marks. Area of the shaded region. The shaded area, the parachute, the one looks like parachute. Parachute, we will have no formula to find the parachute shape area, okay? So we have to split the area here. This area, right, is only inside the blue color. But of course, if you find the blue color sector area, it's including these two green and purple color. Okay, makes sense? So we use the blue color, this big sector here, minus these two small little part. And these two small little part, right, it is actually the segment. These two is actually the segment. Yes. So which means that this question here, we need to go through two formulas. The blue color one is sector area. Okay, sector area. And the green, purple color will be the segment area. Okay, so be careful. For segment area, the theta, right, you have two. One is in red, one is in degree. Which means for the segment there, right, the one red, just on the one red here, you have to sub 1 and also 57.3. Okay, both format, both. Let's go. Let's start from the blue color first, the big one. This one 4 marks, okay, this one 4 marks. Start from what? Blue color one, JKLM, right? JKLM area. Okay, so equals to 1 over 2. Radius is 4.795 square. And also times it with theta. Theta is 3.6 rad. Nice. Let's press the answer. Yeah. 4.795. 3.6. 41. 39. Okay, and followed by the green and purple. I start from the green first. Green is the segment JM. Yeah, no space. One over two. Radius is lemma. Theta is red first, followed by degree, 57.3. Yoo-hoo! Okay, let's press the answer. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. 57.3. Oh, so small one. What? Yeah. 1.981. It doesn't look so small though. JKLM is 41. Okay, nothing. Don't follow the picture. Okay, satu lagi. Segment ML area. Radius 5 again. And the theta red first, followed by degree. But if you know actually the working same, you can straight away times 2. If you know the working are same. Like this one, JM and ML actually same. Actually they are same. So no need to write 2 times. If you know that, okay, we can now minus. No space. 41.39 minus 1.981, 1.981. 37, 428. Yeah. It should cm square. Okay, 14 siap. Still good. This one total 8 marks. This one better than the just on number 7. Ice cream with parachute. After this is number 15. Three more, 3 more. Okay, still can. Okay. Tahan a bit. 3 more to go. Okay, so let's go. Number 15. 15. 7 marks here. 7. No, no, no. The picture you can see your nose maybe there is black and white. Okay, but you can see the shaded part there, the blue color one. Mm-hmm. Okay, 15. Diagram shows us cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. O is the center of the circle. So this circle, long time no see. I'm not sure remember the characteristic or not for this type of the circle. ABCD, inside the circle can see, right? So for this cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle, 130 here on top will be in total 180, right? So on top here is 180 minus 130, which is 50 lah. Okay, wait, let me bigger first. Cannot see. Okay, can see, Okay, one more. There's one more shape here. Beside this one, right, they see before? Eh, 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 Okay, besides this one, right, one more shape here. Not sure can see or not. I think the one we call is rocket, right? Is it rocket? Rocket. The rocket too ugly already. Rocket. One more rocket here. So rocket, the characteristic is two times. Two times. This angle and this angle. If this is theta, right? Radius here is two times. Not sure you remember or not from three circle, okay? So that's why after you find the 50 here, you should be able to find the next one. Hundred, yes. Long time no see. So which means actually the circle chapter, I think sometimes okay, you get confused because of form 3. The form 3 circle. Yeah, I think so. Form 3 circle. Maybe you forgot about your form 3 circle part there. Okay, so that's all. Cyclic quadrilateral, 50 degree, 100 degree, and okay, the picture settled already. Bottom here. Given the radius of the circle, 6 cm, radius of the circle 6, so OA and OC same 6, and ABC 130 degree. There is, it's already 130. Later the pi, 3.142. Apa itu Number 14? You haven't done number 14 yet? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can let you screenshot, make it fast. I thought you done number 14 already. Okay, siap, let's go. Okay, back to here. Okay, first one, only 1 mark. Angle AOC in radian. AOC, yeah, set already. But then you have to convert to radian. So 100, you have to convert to radian times pi divide 180. The pi 3.142. 3.142. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. 1.746. 746. 1.746. Red. Okay, siap. Easy. Satu marker. Can go for B now. B is 2 marks. The arc length ABC. Arc length ABC. Okay. ABC. The big one, okay? Big one, So ABC, question already says is arc length, right? No need to use any other formula because arc length is only one. Arc length. Yeah, the only one formula. Yes. But you have to see carefully for your angle and the radius. So arc length, this one, right? So this is S, center O, radius 6 cm, the theta is over here. Must be same side. So S, radius, the theta here you know is 360 minus 100, okay? 360 minus 100 is 260. 260 degree. But of course, yeah, you have to change to red because of the formula. So arc ABC, radius 6, the angle here is 260. Change to red. The pi, 3.142. 2 marks, okay, 2 marks. The 260 times 3.142 180 times 6, you got 27.23. 27.23 cm. 3 marks. Yes. ABC, last one is 4 marks. Da, 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 da. Okay. Last one, area of the shaded region. Yeah, the two blue color side there. Okay, so for these two blue color here, area formula, okay, area formula. Not sure is it sector or segment first, okay? So for this part, yeah, I think the picture here not complete yet. If you add on the straight line yourself, right? The blue color is actually center O, of course, center O. But is this part of the circle, right? This part of the circle. This part of the circle. That's why for the blue color, yes, it is a segment. This blue color, it is a segment. This is a segment. So you go for the segment formula only. And so later on, the segment area formula, and then this side, right, is actually repeat the same. Later I'll show you why. The both side actually same. No need to write so many working. We write only one time. Okay, so this is the segment AB, the area. Okay, so first one, the radius, center O, radius same again, 6. The theta don't get wrong, okay? Theta is only this part. Yeah, so this part is half of 260. Half. Yeah. So this line, this angle, sorry, you have to divide by 2. Need to divide by 2. So just now, 260, half. 130. Okay, so of course, for the, what do you call this? Radian, yes, of course, the formula need radian, right? Radian also half, but just now we didn't write the radian yet, right? Okay, then 打包 lah. Okay, maybe you can write the working here. Easier to see. So before I start the area, I convert the degree first, okay? 130 degree times pi over 180. Yeah. 3.142 over 180. 2.269. 2.269 red. Okay, now we can sub in for the segment. 1 over 2 r square. Okay, radian first. Radian minus degree 130. Okay, it's 1 over 2 times 6 squared and 2.269 minus sine 130. 27. 27.05. Hmm. Okay, so now back to here. This area segment is 27.05 for the left side here. Okay, for the left side here. The right side actually repeat the same because, again, the number all same. Center O, radius 6 again, and the angle also 130 degree. So you substitute the same number inside the same formula. That's why no need to write one more time. We just use a 27.05 times 2. Okay, 4 marks. Okay, the answer correct. 15 nice. The working actually shorter, this one shorter. Shorter than this one 14. 15 done. Next one 17. Okay, so good Not too hard, not too hard. Last two, last two. Okay, let's go to number 17. Last two, last two. Yeah. 15, 16, 17. Okay. This one 8 marks. But the working, I'm not sure is it long or short, okay, for 17. Maybe you write smaller a bit. Scared not enough space. So little space only. Okay, 17. Diagram shows the cross-section of a three cylindrical container, each of radius 3 cm, held each together by a stretch elastic band. The part later 3.42 again. So the radius of the circle all same, 3 cm. So these three are tied together by elastic band. Okay. Okay, radius, okay, I simply draw first, radius of 3 cm all same, right? Okay, these three all same, Okay, so nothing else. So for A, asking for shaded area. Yee. Yeah, between here, small little gap, the area. Don't see wrongly, this is not the triangle. Not a triangle. It's a curve, okay? It's a curve, it's a curve. So to find this area, okay, the picture here, I think we need to add some straight line. Mm, okay, so number 17 here, right? This is considered as a common question for this chapter. Common. Yes, sometimes if the picture not enough info, you have to add on the straight line yourself. Like just now number 15. 15, we add one line, right? Straight up to the top there. But they are still okay, still able to understand. But this one, you are not only adding one line. You have to add three. I need to add three. Okay, so there's a technique here, okay? There's a technique here. When you add the straight line, right? When you add the straight line, okay, how to add, right? Not simply add one. After you add, of course, it can help you to find the answer, okay? And the other one is after you add the straight line, the best is to get triangle. Maybe it can be a normal triangle or it can be a right angle triangle, okay? Depends, okay? So this is the way to add a straight line. Yes. So which means maybe you need to add one line or maybe two or maybe three to get a triangle. Okay, sometimes so I think this is the question where you feel a bit like confused, right? Because yeah, lack of info. They're not drawing you the line that you have to know, you have to draw yourself. I think so for this part here, to add a straight line to get the triangle, we can refer to the only info you have, radius, 3 cm. You can see that they're all joining same thing, right? They are all joined to each other, correct? They connect here and here, okay, for these three circle. That's why if I join all their radius together, macam ini, okay, here three, here's a three, in total six. Ah, another one I join to the other circle. Ah, radius same also radius three, three, six again. Hey, wait, I draw too long already. Why the line? Wait, I draw again. The line too weird. Okay, join to here. Here. This one looks better. Okay, three, 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 three. Last. Join back to the first one. Another 3 cm, 3 cm. So there you go. Okay, again, you add on the straight line. The triangle must able to help you to find the answer, of course. Okay, so you can see after add a straight line here, I got a triangle, right? This triangle is an equilateral again. Sama CC. So we can get more info from there. We can get more info from there because they are all same length. The angle, all same. 180 divided by 3. 60 each. So therefore, after I add the straight line here, you can see that they will get you a sector. These three sector can see. Okay. So in conclusion, how to find the shaded area? You can use a triangle area. Since we already have the length, we have the angle, right? Minus off the sector. Yes. Sector also got everything. Sector is you also got the radius, also got the angle. That's the way. But provided you must add the line correctly. Not just simply add one. Let's go. Let's find the shaded area. So you go for the triangle area minus the sector area. Sector total got 3, and some more 3 of it are same. You can use only one. You find only one sector area times 3. Yeah, they all repeat the same. Okay, so now the triangle, you have all the same length, 6, the angle 60. And for sector here, no matter which one, okay, the length is 3 cm for radius. The angle here also 60. Okay, so for the triangle first, triangle, I go for the chapter 9 formula because this is not a right angle triangle. 1 over 2 AB sine C. So A and B is come from here. The two lengths, no matter which one I put, okay, same. So A and B, this is C, right? Opposite will be the C again, the capital C, the big one. So A, B, and C, we can sum into the formula to find the area. And the next one, the sector area. Yeah, this one. 1 over 2 R square theta. So the radius theta, radius is 3 cm, theta is in radian. So for radian, the 60-degree need to change to radian first. Okay. So I think all the numbers are already there, but just the angle need to change first. So 60, I change to the radian first, then we can start the 60 times the pi, or the pi question give you the idea, 3.142. Bum, 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 bum. 1.047 rad. Hello, so let's go. We can find the area now. Triangle. 1 over 2 A B sine C minus the sector 1 over 2, 1 over 2 r square theta. Then times 3. Yay. Okay, let's get the answer. Easy, easy. But yeah, provided you have to know how to add a straight line. 1 over 2, 6 sine 60. 15.59. 1 over 2, 3 square, 1.047 times 3. 14.1345. Okay, I write everything now. Okay, 15.59 minus 1.4555. So small. 1.4555. This is what cm square. But then 4 marks. Easy, right? 4 marks. Okay, correct. Where the answer 4, 4. Okay, okay, can. Do 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 do. Yeah, nice. Yeah, 4 marks, not too hard. B, another 4 marks. The length of stretch elastic band. Length of the elastic band. So you have to see which one you're finding. Just now question says that these three circle, right, they're tied with the band, correct? That's why the band, the length, you're referring to the outside only. This band, right, is referring to the outside, this part only. Or you can say it's a parameter lah. Parameter of the whole diagram. Something like this. Okay. Okay, so for this length of the band, it's actually formed by one, two, three. Three arc length and three straight line. Yes. I actually here. Three arc length from circle here to here is the arc length. Circle here, here to here is the arc length. Another one here to here. Yep, it's the arc length. So you got three arc length and then three straight line. Okay, three straight line. Okay, good. So this is how you find the length. So we're not going to find everything one shot. We find the arc length, of course, the three arc length, and then find the straight line, only then we plus. Yes. Let's start from the arc length first. Arc length should be okay. Arc length. Arc length should be okay. Okay, first thing here. Arc length. Using the formula, arc length, S. Okay, we're finding S. Radius, you know, yeah? Radius. Same, right? 3, 3, 3. They're all same. The angle here, theta. This part. How to find? Very simple also. Do you see that after I draw the arc length and a straight line, this part, right? Or even the other two, okay? Same, this part. Actually, this line, what do you call this idea? These two. We call as a tangent to the circle. It, this line it is the tangent to the circle. So remember tangent, right? Tangent to the circle, it will be 90 degree. 90 degree. Ah, tangent to the circle. From this point, join the center, right? Here will be 90 degree. 90. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, here also 90, of course. Tangent to the circle. And this line, right, when I join together, it will parallel to the tangent, which means you form a rectangle already. Rectangle. This up and down also 90 degree. Yay! Okay, wait, I'll make it bigger. Yeah, can see oh. That's why the other rectangle, same, they're all same here. Also 90. So which means to find the theta on top, 360 minus 90, 90, 60. You can find the theta on top. Yep. So we have the radius, we have the theta. Later can find arc length. Yeah. Okay, is it good? So this line, I mean this angle will be 360 minus 90, 90, and 60. Dun 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 dun. Wait, what is it? 120. So you can find the arc length already. Okay, cool. Let's go. Hee hee. Radius 3 cm, the theta 120 degree, but you have to change to radian times. Did we change that before or no? Pi over 180. 6.284. 6.284 around it. So this is the arc length. Okay, just one on top, okay? And the rest of the other two arc length, they are repeat the same, repeat the same. So the total arc length times 3 to 6.284 times 3 is 18,852. So this is a total arc length for all the three sides here. And the last one, you could, yeah, plus the rest of the three straight line. So the rest of the three straight line. Satu, dua, tiga. You should know the line already. Because this is a rectangle. A rectangle, a rectangle. So 3 plus 3, 6. This is 6. Ah. So 18.852 plus 666. Oh, you can write 18, of course. Ding, 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 ding. 36. Apa itu cm. Okay, this is the length of the elastic band. Correct? Is the answer correct? Correct. Okay. Okay, 17. Is it good? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, still can Okay, 17 Nice, nice, nice. Last 20. Okay so far still can tahan One more to go. Last. Number 20. E, 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 E. Okay, so let's go. Number 20. Last one, last one, last one. Okay, 20. 142. 142. 142 is 7 marks. A, B, C. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's a star shape. Okay, 20. Diagram shows a logo in a regular pentagon shape. Regular pentagon shape. A, B, C, donkey E. Inscribed in a circle of radius 5 cm. Center O. So it says that now you have a circle. Inside the circle, inscribed, inside the circle, you have a pentagon shape, regular pentagon. Okay, so I agak draw here. Okay, you can see, right? Agak like this. You have a circle. Inside circle, you have a pentagon shape. Somehow this is a regular pentagon, regular. Regular pentagon. I'm not sure, remember or not. Regular pentagon, actually you can find the angle already. Regular pentagon shape. Let me recall the formula first. Wow, you learn in Form 3. Oh, this one. If I'm not mistaken, okay, if I'm not wrong, n minus 2, right, is it? Times 180 and then divided by n. Uh, yeah, I think it should be this one. This is the one to find the angle on each side. Is it angle on each side? Uh, yeah. Angle of each side. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I should be this formula if I'm not wrong. N minus 2 times 180. N minus 2 times 180 is to get you the total angle. Total angle for all these five sides. And you divide by the number of sides, you should get each side. Yeah. So from here, regular pentagon, we should agak know the angle here already, based on the formula. Total, you got five side, right? Five. 5 minus 2 times 180 degree divided by 5. The angle on each side should be 108. I mean like all this here. Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima. This is all 108. Yeah. Long time no see. Tadan. Okay, next one. Inscribe in a circle with radius 5 cm, center O. So radius 5 cm, right? Okay, I simply draw here. Circle here, radius 5 cm. Okay, I simply draw it. Okay, so last one. To complete the logo, a black tie rope needed to make the pentagon and two arc of a circle. A black tie rope. Yeah, you can see there's a star here. This is the one they're using the rope to tie. So again, a black tie rope needed to make the pentagon and two arc of a circle. So which means your length of the black tie. Satu, dua, wait, sorry. Tiga, empat, Lima, and also two out of a circle. Yeah. Done. So you got total one, two, three, four, five straight lines and two arc beside there. Okay, so this is the black tie rope, okay? Black tie rope. Okay, no more ID, no more ID. Bottom here, pi later use 3 by 1 for 2. Okay. We can start the A, satu markah saja. Find in radian angle AOB. AOB very easy, AOB or here. AOB. This angle. Hmm. It seems like we don't need the 108. Okay, never mind. Okay, back to here. So now for the angle here, how do we find, right? Only one mark, right? The working should be not too long. Okay. So this angle here, very simple. Because this is a regular pentagon, which means all the sides same length, right? Same length. If I split into 5 parts, follow the side here. Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima. They are all same angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all same angle. Because this is a regular pentagon. All the side same length. Okay, that's why one of this total circle 360 divided by 5. Settle. That's the way. Yay. 72 degree. And you have to change to radian, no? 72 times pi 3.142 over 180. Okay. They never say how many decimal, right? Okay, so I make it in 1.2568. Okay, I write everything now. Red. Okay, siap. Satu markah saja. Next one, B. Determine a 0.6 meter black tie rope sufficient to make the logo. So they're asking, yeah, just now the 5 straight lines and the 2 arc circle. This is the one that formed by the black tie rope, right? So they're asking you, is the length 0.6 meter long enough or not? So you have to find all the length here, the total length for the rope. All these 5 with the 2 arc, or everything add together, see is it more than or less than 0.6 meter. Okay, I start from the straight line first. Straight line, right? Straight line. They're all 5 same, okay? They're all 5 same. All these 5 straight line are the same. Just find one and then times 5 only. Okay, let's say I go by this one. I go by BE lah, this one. BE. So they refer to A, E. Okay. We refer to yeah, BE. Okay. So this line here, which one you can use it to find? Center is O here. Do you see that after you draw the fine straight line there to get the 72 degree, we already got the triangle over there. There's a triangle to find the line BE. There is a triangle here to find BE. Can see, 5 cm, 5 cm, same length. Okay. This angle here, right, we also have already. We found one, AOB 72. Two of them times 2 because they're all 5 same. So this angle should be 140 144. 72 times 2. 144. 144. Okay, that's why for the triangle here, we can stick to the chapter 9 formula again. Yeah, it is not a right angle triangle. Should be the cosine rule as well. I draw here first. Ting, ting, ting. Okay. 544. Okay, nice. We are finding this length here, the BE. Opposite will be the big A, 144. And the rest of the two length here will be small b and small c. Muscle, cosine rule. We can find this is what BE, BE square, small b, small c. Big A is 144, so cos 144. Nice. Okay, can press already. So you find one of these, BE, the rest of five, they're all same. 9.511. This for BE. Woohoo! Okay, last. Sorry, need to times 5. This one need to times 5. 9.511 times 5 is 47.555. 47.555. So in total, we got all the star here already. 47.555 cm. Last the two arc here. So again, these two arc also the same length. We find one and then times 2, okay? So yeah, let's go. Last. Now I go for AB lah. Same thing. So this is the arc. Center O again. Center O. Okay. But okay, same thing. The arc length again. Arc length formula. So radius also 5. Same. But the angle here already half. Not the 144 anymore. 72. Okay. R A B. Radius Lima, theta is 72. We already found the radian just now, 1.2568. 1.2568. 6.284. 6.284. Okay lah. So we plus together. Times 2 for the arc. Got two sides, AB and CD. 47.555 plus 6.284 times 2. Okay. So 60.123 cm. Okay, so this one obviously is more than 0.6 meter. More than so not sufficient. Not sufficient. Not sufficient. It's already more than 0.6. More, a little bit more lah. 0.123 cm is how many meter? Really 0.001 meter more. So still not sufficient. Okay, B done. 4 marks, okay, nice, not bad. Okay, last one, 2 marks, oh, last. Oh, okay, okay. Go, 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 go. Last, okay, C. Segment A, B, and CD will be painted with yellow paint. You can see the picture there. I mean for your side, yeah, you have to see picture lah. A, B, and C, D, the one they show you here, yellow color, calculate the area to be painted. So nothing special, just the area of the yellow color. And these two yellow, yep, it is a segment already. These two yellow, it is a segment. So use the segment area formula, and two of the yellow color are the same again. So find 1 times 2, easy 2 marks. Let's go. I write here lah. So I think we have everything. Radius again 5, the theta again 72. And somehow you need the radian also. So you got everything now. Yay. Segment AB, the area 1/2 r squared. Radian minus sine degree. Dun, 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 dun. 1.2568 sine 72. 3 point something so small only. Did I press anything wrong? Oh, the other thing. 3.822. 822. 3.822. 7.644. cm squared. Yes. It's correct. Correct. Yes. Okay, nice. Okay, number 20. Yay. Can finish everything today. Nice. Okay, so today question is it so far so good? Not too hard, right? The 6 question here. Maybe except for 7, maybe. Except for 7. 7, the working a bit long. The rest should be okay, able to understand. Hmm. Okay, boleh Yay, happy, happy. We can finish everything. So, yep, today's seminar until here first. Hopefully, okay, hopefully this question, for today can help you to answer, help you to get the full marks for your exam for this chapter. Because this chapter will be possible to come out in paper 1 and 2, both. So around lah. Because paper 2, if maximum can up to 10, paper 2. But paper 1, depends on the question, maximum can be 8 for paper 1. Which means paper 1 and 2, if total up for this chapter, maximum can be 18. Maximum can be 18, maximum. Both papers plus together. Okay. Okay. So this seminar we stop here. Okay. If possible, I got chance, I will see you in the next seminar. Okay. Then so that's all for the seminar. Thanks for coming and goodbye. You can go have your lunch now. See you. Bye bye.